Welcome to Speak Up English Academy.
English conversation with Persian translation.
John and Sosan are talking about their hobbies and interests.
Hey Sosan, what hobbies do you enjoy in your free time?
Hi John. I really love painting. It's a great way for me to express myself and unwind. How about you?
That sounds wonderful. I enjoy playing cricket. I play with friends on weekends, and it's always a blast.
Cricket is so exciting. I've watched a few matches, but never played. What do you enjoy most about it?
I love the strategy involved and the teamwork. It's a great way to bond with friends. Do you have a favorite style of painting?
I mainly focus on abstract art. I find it liberating to create without strict rules. Do you play cricket regularly?
Yes, we have a small group that meets every Saturday. It's a fun way to stay active and competitive.
That sounds like a lot of fun. Besides cricket, do you have any other hobbies?
I also enjoy cooking. I love experimenting with new recipes, especially different cuisines. What about you? Any other interests?
I like reading, especially novels. I'm always looking for book recommendations. What's the last thing you cooked?
I recently tried making a homemade curry. It turned out pretty well.
That sounds delicious. I'd love to try your cooking sometime.
Absolutely. Maybe we can have a cooking night and combine our hobbies.
That's a great idea. I'm looking forward to it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.